In this video, we'll show you how to change the grille assembly on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. In order to change the grille assembly on your vehicle, you will need to remove the grille trim molding to have full access. Using a fork, remove the 12 plastic rivets by prying their central parts. Remove the radiator support cover from the fender. Repeat this step on the other side. Then remove the cover. Now you need to remove the grille trim. Using the fork, remove the rivet on the driver's side. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts holding the grille trim. Do the same on the passenger side. Then remove the grille trim. Using a fork, remove the 3 mudguard retaining rivets. Then, you need to remove the wheel arch trim. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and an 8mm socket, unscrew the wheel arch trim and mudguard retaining screws. Remove the wheel arch trim. Repeat this step on the other side. Next, remove the mudguard. Using a small ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the bolt that holds the bumper cover to the fender, located in the wheel arch. Repeat this step on the other side. Disengage the bumper covers from the fenders by pulling them towards the front of the vehicle. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 grille assembly upper retaining bolts. Next, use the same tools to unscrew the 3 bolts holding the bumper cover on the passenger side. You can also use a wrench to help you. Do the same on the driver's side. You can now remove the grille assembly. To do this, simply pull on it. You can order the grille assembly used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new grille assembly. Once in place, screw the bolts under the front bumper covers back on. Then reinsert the bumper covers on the fenders. Screw back in the 2 bolts that hold the bumper covers on the fenders. Put the mudguards back in place. Replace the wheel arch trims. Then retighten the screws. Put the rivets back in place. Screw the 4 upper grille assembly retaining bolts back on. Next, put the grill trim back in place. Screw the retaining bolts back in, then put the rivets back in place. Put the radiator support cover back in place. Remember to pass the cover under the fenders and the grill assembly. Then put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.